Hello everyone, my name is Nova. Welcome to my channel.
I am so happy to see you here. Thank you for watching this video.
Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Today's story is about going to the vegetable market with my mother. Good morning! It is a sunny day. I am getting ready.
Nova, are you ready?
Yes, Mom. I am almost ready. Oh,
Guy?
we need vegetables for the week. That sounds nice.
We need tomatoes, potatoes, onions, carrots.
I love fresh vegetables. Can you tell me again? What? Tomatoes for salad, potatoes for curry.
Oh.
Onions for every dish, carrots for soup.
Ooh, what about cucumbers?
Yes, cucumbers too. Great. Great.
Are we walking or taking the bus?
We are walking. The market is near.
And
Oh, wait a minute. Do you have your bag?
yes, and I have some money.
Lock.
Okay, it's locked. Okay, it's locked.
I like walking with you. Walking is healthy.
What is your favorite vegetable?
Carrot. It is crunchy and sweet.
I don't like bitter gourd.
Many people don't.
It is bitter, but very healthy.
Wow. The market is busy today.
Mornings are always busy. Fresh tomatoes. Would you like some?
Yes, please. How much for 1 kilogram?
200 rupees.
They are.
They are fresh. They smell juicy.
Here is the money.
Thank you. How much are potatoes?
$150 per kilogram.
2 kilograms, please.
Here.
Here.
Onions are 250 today. 1 kilogram.
1 kilogram.
Half kilogram garlic.
Here you go.
Prices are high today.
It depends on the season.
Yeah.
Yeah. Season means time of the year. Yeah. Fresh carrots.
1 kilogram, please.
And cucumbers too.
Here.
They look shiny and healthy. 2 bundles for 100.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we buy coriander?
That be coriander. Yes.
Can we buy bananas?
Yes.
1 dozen for 200.
Okay, 1 dozen.
Eh?
1 kilogram apples, please.
Here you go.
The bags are heavy. The bags? Yeah. We are almost done. I enjoyed today.
I am put up that mom. Oh wait, no.
What did you learn?
Vegetable names and prices.
Ro?
I practiced English too. Very good, Nova.
Oh, the product Scott. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Really good. Wait, try down em.
Anna, anytime.
Đừng thiên thật ơn tôi lời nè. Lòng xăng cho em đang nè. Mình có khen coi quên mà khá. Mình nói đi thật ba cho một bao.
I hope you enjoyed learning with me. Itsuri. Say, and are sick and friendly. Eat fresh vegetables and stay healthy. Please subscribe and like.
Nè, many live that. Word like na.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.